Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X8 Pro and let me share with you how to virus scan this device. So fortunately, we do not need to download any kind of third-party app because the developer provided the security and the virus scan inside. So all you have to do is to find this app, which is right here, which is called security. So just find it in your list and tap on it. For sure you've got one because it is pre-installed. So now all we have to do is to tap on security scan, tap on agree, and now let your device scan itself in order to find any kind of malware, any kind of viruses, or any kind of problems. And after the full scan, it will show you the results. In my case, everything looks all right. Of course, if it will find any kind of virus, it will show you the information about it. You will be guided through the steps that you need to take in order to get rid of the risk. Moreover, if your device will find some things that maybe are not a virus, but they could affect the security, it will also list it right here. So for example, if you've got the update of the software pending, then it will list it right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.